What's going on, you guys? I want to show you how you can get social proof and how you can set it up on your website and how easy it is. I'm going to show you a couple ways and how to do it really easily. So the first way is going through your chatbot. I love making posts and getting messages from my chatbot from people saying, oh, this was so valuable, thank you so much. So one is just copying our chatbot. Let's go to pages. Let's go to Brandon Duff, and we will go to inbox, and we'll go to different one. So, like for instance, like amazing content, and I can just, I mean, if I really wanted to be goofy about it, I could just kind of force the answer for social proof, right? I mean, technically it says amazing content, and he said as always. So I mean, that's really easy. There's other ways, like just actually looking at what people said. How do I join this weekend? How do I join the mastermind? You know, I can just copy that. There are just a little things you can do just by copying what people. It's going good. Yeah, it is. Amazing, right? And they say, yeah, it is. So you can really just kind of force answers, and people will always kind of say their own answers. So your chatbot is a really great way to automate a lot of this. In our high ticket community, we really focus on automation, and if you have the program, we go and give you all of our chatbots so that you can really grow your YouTube channel on autopilot, so you can make sales on autopilot, all these different things. So that is one way to get social proof, and it's really easy. I use a tool called Light Shot, and all you do is you just take a screenshot of something and you can save it. It makes it super easy to take little quick screenshots of things so you can save them and use them as social proof. I use this all the time. I can show you, for instance, in Canva. We'll go to one of my social proof things. There. So I just took all these screenshots of everything, like training's so awesome, Brandon. Thank you. This is amazing. Warning: I'm using Brandon software to keep Facebook in check with unfriended people. After connecting with 3 people, my group messenger made me $225. This ebook is amazing. Just look, like just constant feedback, and I just take pictures and I stack them, and then I use Canva to post them onto a social media platform. The next way is you can use some kind of verification notification software. So I use, and I'll bring it up right now. I'll just type it in. IYou, and this is a really good way to show notifications. They'll kind of post up here. They have them on here, but they have a really good deal right now, lifetime for $49, so you don't have to worry about the subscription. Really cool. They'll show you like offers and discounts, urgencies, requests for a collector, so you can actually have integrate some kind of call, which would be awesome. Reviews and latest conversions, exit intent, all these different things that are just makes it really easy to show social proof. And they have a free version right here. It does it for 1 domain, 5 notifications, 1,000 impressions, and then proofly branding. But it's really, I mean, it's free. So they do, like I said, have that lifetime version, which is really nice. And if you log into your account with the button below or in this link, you can see that you can sign up, use the link to get the software that shows social proof. I have it on mine account. Let me just log in. And as you can see here, I have 306 impressions, 74 hovers, 0 leads, and 1 click. It's just managing as a only have one thing on there because I was using another tool and I haven't put it in all my social proof yet. So I'm switching that over now, but I really love this because it does so many more types of notifications. Like obviously we can do the coupon thing, we can do the reviews, we can do all sorts of fun little notifications that kind of lead people down another path for interaction. So we're going to be messing with that to show how to do that. And it's really easy to connect a domain and set everything up. As you can see here, the Money Friends, I have it already set up and a message. So right now I can just kind of show the live feed and show all these notifications and conversions because I haven't really added anything yet. It's like super easy to set up. So you just install pixel code into your GoHighLevel account. So we'll go to GoHighLevel, or we'll go to app@themoneyfriends.com or thesocialfriends.com, depending on where you're seeing this. So we'll go to app, the social friends. So once you're in your account, you'll go ahead and go to funnels right here, and you'll go to the funnel we've been working on. And if you are watching this on YouTube, then you can click on the link in the description to actually access this free training. If you are actually in the training, then all you'll have to do is you should have already downloaded this. You'll go to your funnel and you'll go to the settings tab, and we'll paste that code from Proofly right here, which is going to be a new one. So we'll add a new domain. This is going to be the social friends, and we'll be the socialfriends.com. And then actually it'll be on app. Actually, this is going to be essential fitness, right? So this will be essential fitness, and then we'll just submit that. So we have that. We'll manage that and get the pixel code. We'll copy this pixel code and we'll place it in our body and we'll save. So that should have our social proof on there. So now if we add some kind of notification, so let's create a notification. Let's call it just social share. We'll call that social share. And then as you can see here, I'll see tell your friends, we appreciate all the feedback, and then the share URL, which would be socialfitness.com, and then we'll submit. So as you can see, this has been submitted, and this is kind of what it looks like. So let's check that out, see if it actually worked. And as you can see here, it's now telling people to share our content. So really easy to set up. As you can see, it just took but a second. There's all sorts of other triggers you can add, which I really like, which you can do exact page matches. You can do where it's displayed. You can customize it with the colors. So it adds for a lot of statistics and data for you. And then we can add all sorts of different notifications, like I said, like visitor count, conversion tracking, emoji feedback, score feedback, spin to win, which is kind of cool, kind of like this. So let's just spin to win, and then we can just customize this, which is like enter your email as a lead capture, and you can win, you know, a free trial to the software. So like spin to win a free 14-day trial to our lead generation software. Put their email in, spin a text, spin to receive free software. And then results, congratulations on your prize, you should be proud. Notification will appear once at least 4 items are set. You can change that here. So we went ahead and added 4 items because we needed 4 items in this area to get some kind of notification started. So I just went to add data, and I just did not a winner, and I just did that over and over again, and then I did free software, and all that did was, as you can see, free software, not a winner, not a winner, and all they do is they put in their email address, and spin, and then it will spin, and then unfortunately you won, but yeah, you can always change all the different things. So super easy. Maybe not put not a winner and put maybe something else. I don't know. I didn't really go too much into it about kind of what the different things do, but it makes it really easy to do. As you can see, it kind of also tracks a lot of the information. I'm interested to know if it actually creates the lead within the software. Let's see here. No, I don't think it does. I'll figure that out later, but that's pretty much how to set up social proof. Really easy to do. You can do it through, like I said, through a lot of context through your automation software, or you can put like something like Proofly in and make it so that you can start tracking conversions, start tracking leads, start tracking clicks, and seeing where they're all coming from. So I was, like I said, using a different software before, and so now I'm switching over because this is a one-time fee, and I highly suggest you guys get this. So if you haven't signed up for our high-ticket community, click on the link below in the description, or if you're in the members section, go ahead and sign up. And that's about it.